All right, today we're gonna learn how to stake 2,400% APR. That works out to be a cool 6.61% every day. So on $1,000, you're making about $66 every day. I think it's pretty freaking cool. I made a YouTube video on how to make money with DeFi. 0xDAO really caught my eye, so I'm making a tutorial video, not sponsored. And without further ado, I am of course the most open-minded investor / NFT artist on YouTube with a diverse appetite for risky asset classes ranging between shopping centers and shitcoins, but not government bonds, creating contact-led, family-friendly, cookie-accepting, cat-free, taking coin specialized tutorials and guidelines to harness the generational wealth transfer found in crypto trends that allows us to believe with Jesus Christ and a fan of Gary and an extremely well-educated and multilingual Korean but with hair naturally curly than the average Asian male and highly coveted by many moms with daughters, also known as Handel Kim. And we are going for the 2,400% APR today. And what I have on Binance, about $50 worth of USDC. What we're gonna need to do with that one is that we're gonna first need to convert that into Fantom coin because 0xDAO operates on the Fantom Network. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to USDC and I'll press convert. USDC max to Fantom FTM. Fantastic. Press max, preview conversion, and voila, done. The reason why we're converting to Fantom is because 0xDAO, as according to CoinMarketCap, which is up 80% today. I know that's a bit scary actually because it did really well today, but across the 7 days, still very much low. Across the month, we're sort of sitting down below as well. 3 months, yeah, that's not bad. When you look at liquidity pairs, these are actually really good research to do. You don't want to bite at the absolute top, although that's pretty damn crazy volatility. So I'm hoping to catch it when it does moon back up again, although 6% every day does sound pretty freaking good. 18%, yeah, it does make me feel a little bit scared, but it is what it is. But 0xDAO, okay, Fantom, there it is. Contract address is there. It's under Fantom, so that's why I know we need to get Fantom. Fantom, of course, is an EVM compatible wallet. And the way in which I add the actual blockchain to the actual Metamask is by putting a custom network in there. But instead of doing that, what I do is I just go to SushiSwap and then I just click on this button here, which then selects a network. Whatever network you're already connected, you should probably have BSC in there, or at least bare minimum Ethereum, right? You just go ahead and click a Fantom right here, and then it will just add in all those details in for you. I've already done it, so it'll only just ask me to switch it. But that isn't particularly hard to do to actually get Fantom added in. And that is kind of the easiest way to do it. You can search around for like, you know, how to get Fantom, all that rubbish in there, but this is just a much easier way to do it. Anyway, in my spot wallet on Binance, as you can see, we've got some Fantom FTM, which is the only coin that's going to be able to be withdrawn within the FTM network. So what's really good about the Metamask wallet is that even on the FTM Fantom network, the wallet address actually remains the same. So Fantom, I'm on Fantom network. Yes, I'm sure of that. And yeah, it says BNB for some reason. Metamask is a little bit clunky still, but I assure you I'm still in the FTM network. So I press the copy the address in there, go to FTM, and then I'm just gonna press withdraw. FTM address is that, of course, and then click on FTM network. And as you can see, the arrival time is around about 5 minutes, fee 0.0 on FTM, which is less than 2 cents. That's like cheaper than BEP20, which is great. And so I'm just gonna max out my withdraw, press withdraw, and press continue, and you grab all those details and away you go. Press submit, complete, and I'm just going to be waiting for my FTM, and so that should come through. So I'm just waiting for the FTM to show up here. And that should be about 26 FTM that I'm expecting to show up in my wallet. Now with that coming through, so going to 0xDAO, make sure the website is oxdao.fi because that is the official address that is found on the CoinMarketCap. The reason I checked that is because the website did look a little bit too simple. So I'm just going to connect on my wallet and away we go. So that's what I'm interested in doing. And I'll just work backwards on this one. So when you click on this one, you need to get OXD, USDC, liquidity pair tokens. When you click that, it'll take you to SpookySwap, which is one of the leading exchanges available on there. Now you need 0xD and you need USDC, which you have none of because you only have FTM, right? So you need to get half of OXD and half of USDC. So we've got 27.4762 FTM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert like a lot of it. I'm going to leave a little bit of FTM behind because I need that to like transact with as well. So I'm going to get a lot of it out. So probably it costs about 0.01 to 0.02 FTMs per transaction. So, if I have 0.4 left, it's going to then give me well upwards of 30 transactions. So that's plenty to, get your harvest rewards and everything like that. So that being the case, I'll probably convert about 27 FTM over to USDC. Actually, I'll convert it onto OXD because I have a little bit of OXD left because that's still about almost about 20 cents worth of OXD that you're looking at right there with 1.724. Sometimes you just can't match it exactly on the dot because that's just how it works. And these are very minuscule amounts of money. So it's not too bad, but I like to have a pretty clean wallet. So FTM to OXD. So if you want to add also this coin to the wallet, you just press that plus button there, and that will then start to display that OXD in your wallet as well, if you like to see your balances within the wallet. So I've already done that, but you just follow the bouncing ball and it's, you know, it's already in there. So it's telling me like, why are you doing this, bro? So press OXD and I'm going to convert about 27. Obviously you can see the balance right below, which is very helpful. 709 OXD coming through. I'm going to press swap and it is going to be pretty straightforward. Just approve all of your transactions, transaction fee, keep an eye on the gas fee so that you're not draining your wallet. Although that doesn't really happen with Fantom Network because it's not Ethereum or as crappy as Ethereum. So there we have it. Press OK. So a lot of it has been converted into OXD. Then what I'm going to do is now convert OXD into USDC. So I'm going to press 50% of OXD, but obviously the balance hasn't been updated yet. I could probably just, you know, refresh and it'll be fine, but I will look into the Metamask wallet just to double check. Oh, no, it still hasn't converted yet. Failed. Okay, what did it fail? Failed for what reason? Well, we don't know why it failed. Okay, but either way, I have FTM still in my wallet and I need to convert that into OXD. So I'm going to then convert a good chunk of it, 27 of those. 6.99. Maybe it was like a price update. That was, we just reacted a little bit slow on that one. Sometimes the market is that volatile, but I don't think it is the case for Fantom today, but let's give it a go. Press OK. It should get done pretty well quickly. There we go. So that was successful, a little bit less, albeit, than what was previously available. I think the quotation came to about like 700 something, but now I only got 600. Oh, but the transaction fee was quite high at 0.07. So it looks like I have probably another 6 or 7 transactions left in there. So it might be healthy when I do actually get some rewards, then I'll then convert it back to a little bit into FTM for future transaction fees as well. So now that I've got all that OXD, I will convert 50% of those into USDC. Okay, so out of 701, 350, I want to press swap. To actually provide liquidity, you need equal amounts of both cryptocurrencies. USDC is obviously a stable one. And at the moment, we're getting some OXD as well. Now that we got the OXD, we can probably go for the liquidity. So we got a liquidity and that is already available in there. But if you're a little bit sheep, if you're a little bit, you know, paranoid, get OXDC USD from the oxdao.fi website. So clicking onto this, just get OXD, whatever, that button there, it will take you straight to the page where you can go farm. And then you can provide that liquidity there. So this should come through with the balances and I should be in the FTM network as well. So yep, now the balance came through. I'm gonna press max on that and that will get me pretty close to the USDC. So that's only about 4 cents away. The price does move within that region as well, of course. And insufficient USDC balance. Why does it say that? I totally do have enough balance. Okay, I'll press max here. Okay, so if you press max there, that's because there's not enough here. Am I not comparing the numbers right? Oh yeah, because the balance is slightly less than the second ingredient that we need for the mixture. So it looks like we're going to have a little bit more of the oxdao left. As you can see, the prices are always moving. Supply the liquidity token like so, and you can just press approve on MetaMask on that one. Press confirm, confirm low gas fees, of course. Press OK. And you can actually add the LP tokens at some point. Just keep an eye on the dialogues. It doesn't ask me to do that because I've already added the LP tokens. So USDC and OXD token put together is like one token as well. So SPLP is what it's called. And so that should then populate with some figures like so, as you can see. So now I do have some LP tokens. And when I do refresh or go back into the wallet, you will see that my balance for OXD and USDC would have dropped down to very, very minuscule and negligible amounts. So going back to the OXD, go to the first link there and you want to press stake. Now, before you do that, there's like an approve button. So you got to press the approve button. So I want to press max. It's not reading the available token in the wallet. Don't panic, just press refresh. Make sure your wallet is connected to the actual platform itself. There should be a connect button just at the top here like so. And from here, open that up and then you can go available in the wallet. There's a little bit of amount there. That's about $50 worth right there. And then you press stake. And then again with the MetaMask dialog, press confirm, make sure low gas fees once again. Oh, don't tell me I don't have enough gas fees. Okay, here we go. I do have enough gas fees and I just stake that one. And what I want to do is I want to come back into this dialog and make sure that there is no further available liquidity tokens in my wallet. I am feeling a little bit nervous about the leftover transaction costs. So I'm just going to double check that I have plenty of FTM left over. So my LP tokens have dropped back down to 0. It looks like then I have been approved for that extra transaction. So I'm just going to do another quick refresh of the website and make sure that my stakes under this liquidity has increased. I obviously need to ensure that the wallet has remains connected, and my balance has increased by about 50 bucks right here. So opening this up, as you can see, I have earned 0.038 or whatever. And then obviously I can claim rewards on that one as and when it becomes available. Okay, so I'll pay this much fee and then I'll be able to then make those claims. But obviously I'm gonna wait probably another 24 hours for me to be able to do this, and that should hopefully work. I don't see it being a big issue. And you guys know why I got into this, because you would have seen the video that was posted previously. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. That is the end of the video. If you haven't done so, make sure you go meet one of my NFTs because they look simply cool. And I will see you in the next video, probably in another really exciting video like this. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and follow all of my channels for more fun stuff like this. Love you guys. Peace.